Hey there, Dr. Ray here, CEO and founder of the Learning Liaisons, and I have a very important question for you. Do you have to get your reading endorsement as a public school teacher here in the state of Florida? Most of you probably do by this point, since the new rule change with the state of Florida, where it's becoming more of a requirement, especially for our elementary school teachers, to have that reading endorsement. The good news is now they gave a pathway where you don't have to do the 5 competency reading endorsement set of courses. You don't have to do the 300 hours of intense reading and writing that go along with those courses. You can fast track now. We're here to help. What we're doing on May 19th, a live online workshop. It's the same workshop we do with school districts, but we're going to do it online from 4:30 p.m. till 9 o'clock at night, so 4.5 hours. We're going to be broadcasting live from our office, myself and our reading specialist, Sarah Hall. We're going to be doing our intense boot camp for your subject area exam, a Reading K-12 exam. Once again, this exam is your gateway. All you need to do is pass it, pay the state $75 to add the reading endorsement to your certification. No need for the 300 hours anymore that most teachers have gone through. Trust me, ask your fellow colleagues. They're probably going to say that they're all or very boring, right? So we're going to fast track that. We're going to give you what you need. And the best part is, by registering and attending this live event, you're also going to get free access to our full K-12 online boot camp course. That boot camp covers all 9 competencies that you're going to see on your Reading K-12 subject area exam. In addition to those competencies led by our reading specialist, Sarah Hall, I'm going to follow up with a module teaching you test-taking strategies and how to beat this test on the first attempt. With that being said, click the link below this video or above this video, depending on where you're watching it, and you can get the full details on this event. Make sure you use the code Facebook25. So Facebook, all capital letters, and the number 25 to save 25% off registration. Okay, there is a fee for this online workshop, but there is no fee for the course that comes with it. It's going to be included with your registration. So see above or below this video for details. If you have any questions, you can call or email us here at the Learning Liaisons. I'll put that information on this post as well. So with that being said, always remember, I'm going to tell you what we tell the thousands of teachers we work with every year. It's when you pass your certification test, not if. So let's fast track that reading endorsement, get to our workshop, get everything you need that you're going to see on the test, and we've got your back until you pass. So you guys have a great rest of your day, and hopefully see you on the inside.
When you pass, not if you pass.